Yo, Ryan, how you doing? This is Joe with Metro Design. I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to boost your online presence, get you ranking in Google, get you some more leads, get that business booming. So, those 3 things are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. First, content. That is how many words you have on your website, home and back pages. So Google likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 on your front page, 500 to 700 on your back pages. We both know you don't have that. You have, I didn't even check, honestly. Probably 100 on your front page, and your back pages probably like 50. So we definitely can help you get some more content on your back and your home pages, as well as each of these can be turned into its own back page so that you can rank for each of them. Get you some more leads that way as well, and throw in some keywords that people are searching for. Content is king, so we definitely want to help you get some more content. Start building your website like that. This is your competitor. Honestly, you don't really have that much competition when it comes to websites, so we can easily help you build your website, as well as the 2 other things I'm going to talk to you about, and you can start kicking some butt down there in Alvin, Texas. Start expanding. That would be awesome. So, this is your competitor, AM Welding. They everything is on their home page. They don't have any back pages, so that's not good. We want our website to be big, as well as that content, that keyword. So they have a lot of content on their home page because they threw all of their everything onto their home page, which is not what we want to do. So once again, not very much competition when it comes to websites and getting some leads. Next thing I want to talk to you about is going to be citations. That's how many websites have your name, address, and phone number of the business on them. The more you have, the higher you can rank in the Google My Business, the map pack. So you have 3. Competitor has 16. He's ranking in the map pack. So that's not that much at all. So these are the other ones I've done, 43, 55. So we could, once again, not very good competition. So we could easily get you some content, citations, and start beating them in that way as well. This is what I use, this website. You can come in here, click on this. It'll bring up a whole list of all the websites they have and go that way. But what me and my team like to do is pile on as many citations as possible. So once they find out that you're taking all their leads, they'll probably hire an expert to go out and get some more citations, and then it's kind of like a race. You always want to stay on top, and you always want to stay ahead. So that's why we just keep piling them on. Next is going to be backlinks. This is how many websites have a link going back to your website. Basically, popularity contest. The more backlinks you have, Google thinks they're more popular, so they push you to the top. This is you on the left. You have 0. Your competition has 13. Once again, not much going for him at all. So that's good news for you. Bad news for him. Same thing as backlinks, though. You can't come in here, find the same 13 that he did and do it that way, but you want to keep piling the backlinks on as well. Backlinks are very useful and helpful if you get the right ones. You want quantity over quality. Me and my team can definitely do that for you. Start getting you to the top, getting those leads that you're missing out on right now. So that is everything for today that I wanted to show you. This is my contact information. Go ahead and shoot me an email or a call. We can sit down for about 10 to 15 minutes, talk about what you saw, how we can help, and anything else that we need moving forward. So hope you liked the video. Have a good day. Thanks.